Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your font on Instagram. I'm going to show you how to do this with a story, but it can be applied anywhere on Instagram, such as in your bio or posts. Instagram does have a few different fonts to choose from, but if you would like to change it up a bit and have a font other than the standard 5 options, I will show you what to do. Just open up a web browser and go to coolsymbol.com. Then at the top left of the page you can see it says Fancy Text. Click on that option. Now you just type in whatever text you would like, and as you can see it shows you a preview of your text. Now just choose from one of the many fonts which one you would like to use. Click copy and then go back over to your Instagram story and paste in the text. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Like the video if it helped you and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Instagram tutorials.